must make shortcrust pastry. Now let's start. We need flour, 500 grams, 3.75 of butter, 2.25 of sugar, 6 yolks, 3 yolks, a tablespoon of honey, a bit of lemon, and vanilla. Here it is. Let's take a closer look and see if everything turned out as expected. We spent a considerable amount of time and effort on this project, carefully planning and executing each step to ensure the best possible outcome. Now, as we examine the final result, we hope that all our hard work and dedication have paid off. It's important to reflect on the process and consider whether the end product meets our initial goals and expectations. This moment of truth will reveal if our meticulous attention to detail and perseverance have truly resulted in a successful outcome. Right at this very moment, we put a little bit more of fresh and juicy lemon, and then she very carefully put it outside. Here a bit of lemon, a bit of honey, a teaspoon. Here, the fraction is a bit far away. I don't know who says what.